high vibration joints on excavators and other earth-moving equipment are critical articulation points that require diligent maintenance to prevent premature wear and equipment failure. The constant stress and repetitive motion of these joints, such as the bucket, boom, and undercarriage, can cause loosening and damage over time if not properly managed. Customers have been utilizing Hytorc's compact, low-profile, narrow-body hydraulic wrenches as a solution in the tight spaces and confined areas of excavator undercarriage assemblies. Common undercarriage bolting applications include track pads, attaching the heavy track pads to the track chains. Securing an excavator's track rollers and idlers is a critical part of undercarriage maintenance that ensures proper function and prevents costly component damage. For both rollers and idlers, the primary method of securing them involves proper installation, tightening, and tensioning. For an excavator's undercarriage, bolting critical components in the drive system, which includes the final drive and planetary gear system, requires precision to ensure proper torque, alignment, and security. Critical bolted connections can fail from human error, material defects, or improper installation. Application points include track shoe bolts and track frame fasteners, idler bottom roller frame mounts, final drive cover bolts. Bolts often seize due to high loads, mud, vibration, and environmental exposure. Manual methods or impact wrenches can be unsafe, inconsistent, and time-consuming. Downtime is costly for construction and mining operations. Precise tightening prevents over-tightening, which can cause costly damage to bolts and equipment. Hytorc hydraulic bolting systems ensure precise and repeatable bolt tightening and loosening by using a controlled hydraulic pressure system that directly regulates torque output. The hydraulic pump provides highly controlled force to a wrench head, allowing for exceptional accuracy and consistency in industrial applications. MXT Plus supports both torque and angle tightening methods. This allows for precise control over the rotational angle of the nut or bolt for applications that require highly exact results. Hytorc's compact hydraulic wrenches, such as the MXT series, are engineered with low-profile, narrow-body designs to fit into the tight spaces of excavator undercarriage assemblies. These tools are essential for the maintenance and repair of crawler track systems, which require powerful and precise bolting in confined areas. Compared to a manual torque wrench, a hydraulic torque tool significantly reduces operator fatigue by eliminating the intense physical strain and repetitive motion required for high torque applications. A hydraulic tool uses power to deliver high torque, while a manual torque wrench relies entirely on the operator's physical force. Operator fatigue from using manual torque wrenches can be caused by the repetitive and high-force application required for tightening fasteners. Factors contributing to fatigue include twisting forces on the wrist and hand, the physical strain of reaching the required torque, and poor ergonomics. But these can be mitigated through proper technique, using the right size tool, and incorporating assistive devices like reaction arms or torque control arms.
The Hytorc MXT Plus hydraulic torque wrench introduces an entirely new level of advanced bolting technology. Constructed from high-strength materials, it can handle the most rugged industrial applications and deliver highly repeatable performance. The dual reaction feature allows easy field configuration for rear or side reaction, replacing the need for two separate tools with one tool. The versatility allows backwards compatibility with all reaction fixtures from the MXT, Avanti, and ICE product lines. The square drive is compatible with all current sockets, drivers, and tool accessories.